Did you know that nearly 30% of seniors struggle to prepare meals? That's a bloody disgrace. Listen, good nutrition is vital at any age, but it's especially crucial for you lot. As you get older, your body needs the right fuel to stay strong, active, and healthy. You might think cooking healthy meals is a load of bollocks, too time-consuming. But let me tell you, it doesn't have to be a pain in the arse. Welcome to Wellness Wise, and in this video I'm taking the guesswork out of healthy eating. We're going to whip up 3 quick, nutritious and delicious recipes that even a donkey could handle. We're talking minimal ingredients, minimal effort and maximum flavour. Get ready to ditch the takeaway menus and embrace a healthier, happier you. Let's get cooking. First up, we're tackling the quinoa bowl. Don't screw this up. This is a dish that's not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Perfect for anyone looking to eat healthy without compromising on taste. This ain't rocket science. Grab your quinoa, it should say how much water on the package, and get it simmering on the stove. Remember, the key to perfect quinoa is the right water to quinoa ratio. Usually it's about 2 cups of water for every cup of quinoa. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer until all the water is absorbed. While that's going, chop up your favourite veggies. I'm using bell peppers and onions because even I haven't messed those up before, and some zucchini. But you can use whatever you fancy. The more colourful, the better. Not only do they add a burst of flavour, but they also make your bowl look like a work of art. Don't be a lazy sod though, no mushy peas and carrots here. Toss those veggies with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, pepper, you know the drill, and spread them on a baking sheet. Make sure they're evenly coated and spread out in a single layer. This ensures they roast evenly and get that lovely caramelized edge. Roast them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. They should be tender and slightly charred. Keep an eye on them though. You want them to be perfectly roasted, not burnt to a crisp. The slight char adds a smoky flavour that's simply irresistible. Now, your quinoa should be cooked. Fluff it up with a fork, and it's time to assemble this masterpiece. Fluffing helps to separate the grains and gives it a light, airy texture. This is what makes quinoa so delightful to eat. Spoon the quinoa into a bowl, top it with those gorgeous roasted vegetables, and boom! You've got yourself a meal fit for a king, or a queen for that matter. Feel free to add a sprinkle of your favourite herbs or a squeeze of lemon juice for an extra zing. This bowl is packed with protein, fibre and flavour. It's the perfect way to fuel your body and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Combined with the vitamins and minerals from the veggies, this bowl is a nutritional powerhouse. And the best part? It's dead simple to make. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie, this quinoa bowl is a foolproof way to enjoy a healthy, delicious meal. Next up, we're simplifying things even further with a one-pot pasta dish that'll make you wonder why you ever bothered with those complicated recipes. This dish is not only easy but also incredibly delicious, making it perfect for busy weeknights or lazy weekends. This is foolproof. Grab a large pot. You only need one, you hear? And heat a glug of olive oil over medium heat. The olive oil will add a rich, smooth flavour to your dish, setting the stage for the ingredients to come. Add some chopped onion and garlic, don't burn it, you hear, and cook until softened. The aroma of the onions and garlic cooking will fill your kitchen, making it smell absolutely divine. Now, toss in your favourite veggies. I'm using chopped tomatoes, spinach and mushrooms, but feel free to get creative. You can add bell peppers, zucchini, or even some kale if you're feeling adventurous. The more colourful, the better. Just don't come crying to me if it tastes like a dog's dinner. Pour in some vegetable broth, add your pasta. I like penne for this, but use what you've got. And season it all with salt, pepper and a pinch of dried herbs. The broth will help cook the pasta and create a delicious sauce. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the pasta is cooked and the sauce has thickened. Stir occasionally to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot. That's it. You've got yourself a hearty, flavourful and nutritious pasta dish that's ready in under 30 minutes. Serve it straight from the pot and enjoy the simplicity and deliciousness of this one-pot wonder. No more excuses for ordering takeaway, you hear me? With this easy recipe, you can whip up a fantastic meal in no time and impress everyone at the table. So get cooking and enjoy. Salmon that doesn't smell like your slippers. Now for the main event salmon. This versatile fish is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. It's a favourite for many, and today we're going to make it shine. Don't worry, we're not going to set the kitchen on fire. Cooking salmon can be intimidating, but with the right steps, it's a breeze. This is pan-seared salmon, and it's easier than you think. With a few simple techniques, you'll have a dish that rivals any restaurant. Pat your salmon fillets dry with a paper towel. We don't want any excess moisture, do we? This step is crucial for achieving that perfect sear. Season them generously with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. The seasoning enhances the natural flavours of the salmon. You can add some herbs if you're feeling fancy, but don't go overboard. A little bit of dill or parsley can go a long way. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. The oil should be shimmering before you add the salmon. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place the salmon fillets in the pan, skin side down. This helps to render the fat and crisp up the skin. Don't overcrowd the pan, you hear? Giving each fillet enough space ensures even cooking. We want them to sear, not steam. Steaming will make the skin soggy, and we want it crispy. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. The flesh should be opaque and slightly firm. The skin should be crispy and golden brown. This is a sign that you've done it right. If it's not, you've messed it up. But don't worry, practice makes perfect. While the salmon is cooking, toss some asparagus with olive oil, salt and pepper. This makes a perfect side dish. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast them in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until tender crisp. The high heat brings out their natural sweetness. Serve the salmon with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a sprinkle of chopped parsley, and those delicious roasted asparagus. This combination is both visually appealing and mouth-wateringly good. There you have it, a restaurant-quality meal that you can easily make at home. Impress your family and friends with your culinary skills. No more excuses, you lot. Get cooking and enjoy the fruits of your labour. So, there you have it. 3 quick, easy and healthy recipes that even the most kitchen-challenged among you can master. No more excuses for reaching for those frozen dinners. These recipes are packed with nutrients, flavour, and most importantly, they won't take you all day to make. Give them a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. What are your favourite quick and healthy meal ideas? Share your tips and tricks with the rest of us old devils, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious and nutritious recipes that will keep you feeling your best. Until next time, happy cooking.